Thank you, Brendan. Yeah, it's a big one today, and it is Facebook, down 26%. It's kind of a tale of two stories here. This is my number one stock profit-wise day trading, but my number one stock loser in the long-term portfolio. Obviously today a 26% move in such a big cap name. Unbelievable. Facebook, I'm not going to sit here and discuss the numbers with you. You can look them up on why this is happening, but let's just review the trade. Unfortunately, I can't zoom back anymore. You're not going to see the full day. This 250 level, which is what this is, which is that first short, was on our sticky note, and it was basically just hovering around there all pre-market. You can see a little bit here in the chart where we're talking about. This actually extends back to like 7 a.m. We didn't really break the 250 mark, and when we did, we just came right back. So I was thinking if there was increased volume off the open, then this 250 would continue to make the move down. And obviously, it's the highest spot Facebook has been at all day since the market opened. So actually, I'll stand over on this side quickly here. There's the first short, and there's the first out. It's $2 or $3, right? Then I actually tweeted out that I wasn't going to get out until we saw a capitulation bottom. But, and we talked about this on the show, we see a little bit of a candle here, and at that point, the 50 period was right here at 245. So I was sort of caught thinking that, hey, you know what? Facebook being down like 22% at the time was probably a little bit too much. Obviously wrong, so we get out right there. Hey, look. It's $5. We'll take it. We had a few other positions right there, but we let Facebook fall down, and then you're going to see right here, it makes these bottoms around 237, and that's that little capitulation bottom that we're talking about. But it could have been there as well. You get a big move down, retrace back, then bang, and then when you start seeing, especially 3 candles in a row, like that was a great indication there that maybe the bottom was put in. Should have been tested here, but again, Facebook was absolutely crazy with lots of volume, and it was going nuts. So very, very hard to see. But then it comes up to view up, and this is where we start to dance a little bit, testing more longs. We have one out right there, test some more longs, take it to the upside. These longs are 240, right? And this out right here is 246, 247. So as you can see, one mistake there by getting out, but then we go back long, and then it's like boom, right? So small, like wins, small hit on the out, buy it back, ride it all the way. And then we kind of just left it as it starts going to the downside. We were chasing Softy and a few other names at this point, but then it comes right back down, and look what happens. Barcoding is sort of right back into the same area, so we have some support there. We actually go short again as it's coming down. We're waiting for that 240 to break. 240 breaks to the downside. That's 240, sorry. It was 239. 239 breaks. Again, held, right? Comes in here, breaks. We actually get a 240, 239.50 or so short. Average that in, out. Then it rips up here, and we get our last piece out there. That was a loser. Obviously, it's ridiculous that we got out there. But again, it takes out the 50 period. We stay disciplined. And then, Brendan, this is the key. It comes right back down. So just as we get out of our short there, now we buy dips into this space again. So we're long right now at 238 and change. We just took some out at 238.50 there. And right now we watch this thing barcode as we're still long on Facebook. For me, this is a good setup now for the long. If the stock market, more importantly, the NASDAQ can rally from here, then I'm thinking this maybe moves up here. So let's watch out for volume weighted average price up there at 240, 250. So we're going to try to make another home run on Facebook right now. If we can, that would be great. So 241, in between 241 and 242. I think we'll try that. If the momentum's there, then maybe we pull that offer. But for now, Facebook, my number one name here. Great to trade these names when they have such volatility.